Hello, traders. Let's analyze what the stock market did today. December 8th, 2021. Let's look at some charts. First one here is the daily chart of the S&P 500. Very bullish action today. If you recall from Friday's bounce off the 100-day moving average, it pushed higher above the 50-day moving average and the 5-day moving average. And then yesterday gapped up huge and ended up closing above the 20-day moving average. Today's action was expected. It was very quiet day, which is what I wanted and expected to see. Basically, do nothing for a couple of days and then push higher to new all-time highs. I did sell one third of my position, of my original position, which I bought down here. I sold it within the first 5 minutes after the market opened. Not that I'm bearish. I just wanted to book some profits. That's just my style, to book some profits along the way. Looking at the hourly chart, we can see that it is approaching the 4700 major pivot point or resistance, which has been acting as support and resistance multiple times. Here, 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 and now today here. What I would like to do, or what I would like to see, is more consolidation around this area for another day or two, and then push higher either Friday or Monday and make new all-time highs. The S&P 500 is above all major moving averages, and it looks very bullish. Looking at the daily chart of the Nasdaq 100, we see a similar pattern. For today, basically didn't do anything. Very quiet day, consolidating and getting some energy for the next move higher. That's what I think. Why? Because that's the path of least resistance according to this chart. Looking at the hourly chart, you can see that we're approaching that big resistance level of 16,450. Got one here, and now it's approaching that area. Same as the S&P 500. I would like it to spend another day or two around this area, consolidate a little bit more, and then push higher and make new all-time highs. I still own shares of the T triple Q, and I'm planning to add to my position once we break above that level. If we don't and we move lower, my stop is placed just below the low from what was that, Tuesday? Yeah, yesterday, Tuesday. I will go to cash and wait for the next setup. Let's take a look at the Russell 2000 ETF, IWM. As you can see, it still doesn't look bullish. It's still kind of neutral to bearish. It's still under all these moving averages, which will be acting as strong resistance while it tries to push up here. Since I do not own it, I'm not interested in going long or shorting it. Now let's take a look at the Philadelphia Semiconductor Index, and still remains very bullish. Hovering around all-time highs. Today was just an inside day, basically just below yesterday's high, and looks like it's just consolidating. If it can do this, just like the same as the other indices, if it could just stay around here for a day or two, and I think it can push higher into making new all-time highs. Conclusion: the market looks very bullish. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.